Fine. So we were talking about the override functionality, right? So what is override functionality? Where does it use? It is used in the DSO. DSO. Okay. Override functionality, and this is maintained in the change log table with the info object called zero record mode. Zero record mode. In this object, this change record will be maintained. Okay, and there are 8 images. There are 8 images. What are those? New image,
upper image,
update image, reverse image, add image, delete image, add new, delete. One, two.
after image, before image.
Yeah. After image, before image. Okay, these images are maintained in the info object zero record mode. So what do you mean by images? Okay, this override functionality, suppose okay, say I have customer ID, product ID, vendor ID, and sales revenue. Okay, and what I am saying is this is my key field. Okay, this is my key field. Okay, these are all my key fields. These are all my key fields. Means suppose C100, P200, V300, and I have loaded 1000, and I have loaded 1000. Suppose if I am loading the same data, I am loading the same data. So what will happen in this case?
It won't overwrite, sir.
It will overwrite. Why it will overwrite?
It won't overwrite, no, sir. Because data is same.
Why it will not overwrite? Because all my keys are same, right? All values are same.
Yes, sir.
C100, P200, V300. Here also I have C100, 200, 300. Both one and the same, right? Duplicate record.
Yes, sir.
So duplicate record unte what will happen if it is a duplicate record? It will overwrite. 1 minute, guys. Okay, so what will happen in this case? It will overwrite because it is a same record. It is a same record. Okay, fine. Let's see that in the system itself. Okay, so I'll delete all the data here. I'll delete all data. How do you delete it from the data in the target? Select your target on which you want to delete. Right click, say delete data. Delete data. Fine. Then I'll also delete the data from the data source, PSA. Right click, manage. Select your request, delete. Okay, so I have deleted all the data from everything. Now this is the file what I have it. Okay, so this is change records, right? Let's see. We'll have only this example. Okay, I'll save it. I'm trying to load only one record, guys. What is that? C100, P200, V300, price is 10, quantity is equal to 2. Okay, fine. Now let's load this data. Okay, so in the info package, I'll just go and change the file. That's it. Change records. Okay, go to schedule, start. Hello. Go to manage and just to check. Okay, successful. How many records we have loaded? Only one record. That's fine. Now load the data to the DSO. Run your DTP. Run your DTP. One minute before that, let me check. Yesterday, did we do any changes here? Summation. See here, type is we have aggregation type. We have set it to summation, right? We have to make it as override. This should be override. This should be override. This is also override. That's fine. Okay. Just I'm deleting the data because we haven't changed the summation to override, right? So now I'll load the data to the DSO. When you load the data initially to the DSO, where it will load?
New data table, sir.
Right. So now if you go and check the data in the new data table, right click, manage, content, new data table, execute, right? This is the record. This is the record. Fine. Now go and check in active data table. Will you able to see the data? No,
sir.
because right. In the same way, in the change log also will not see anything. The change log also will not see anything. Okay, fine. Now I need to activate the data in the DSO. Right click, activate, start. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, good. Now if you go and check the data, what will happen? Can you see the data in the new data table?
No, sir.
No. No table entries found for the specific key. Now if you go and check the data in the active data table, yes, here we will be able to see the data. C100, right? P100, we have CAD, PID, VID, 10 to 20. Okay. The same way, if you go and check the data in the change log table, right? C100, P200, V300, 10, 2, 20. And the record is?
New record, sir.
Record is new record. Okay, fine. Now we'll change the file. Now we'll change the file. And another thing before that I want to show you. What are the keys in my case? What are the key fields?
Customer ID
Customer
and
ID
product.
and product ID only. These two only my key fields. Vendor is not my key field. Okay. See, I am doing what I am trying to do over here. I will load the same data. I will try to load the same data again. Okay, I'll try to load same data again. What will happen? Let's see. Start. Hello, right? And then you run your DTP. Now go and check the data in the info DSO. Right click, manage. There are two requests, right? There are two requests. Each has one record. Yes, that's good. Now if I go to content, check the new data table. Yes, I will be able to see the data here. Okay, and now activate the data in the DSO. What should happen now? If you're trying to load same data, what should happen? What it should happen? It should have only one record, right? It will have only one record. That is in active data table. In change log table also, you will have only one record. Why? Because the records are same. The records are same. So it got overwritten. Clear?